YC Onion has a monopod that you can operate with one button. Check it out.
DIY Photography's coverage of NAB 2023 is sponsored by Sennheiser, Zhiyun, Small Rig, and B&H.
Hi, I'm Udi Tirosh with DIYPhotography.net. I'm here at the YC Onion booth at NAB 2023 with Sandy Chen, Marketing Manager for YC Onion. And I'm seeing this wonderful tripod. Please tell me what it is.
Sure. So the most unique feature is the one-click design. So let me show you from the very first beginning. So when it's closed up, it's about 55 centimeter high. And then with the traditional monopods, we usually need to start from the beginning, from the bottom, and work our way up to the top. And you need to twist each lock. Yes, yes. But with our new design, you can click, flip, and then it's all done. And then you can use it.
How long was that?
From 75 centimeter to 145 centimeter.
But also maybe 1 second to do the entire thing.
To the entire thing, yes, that's right. And then when you are filming, for example, if you are a wildlife photographer or if you are a sports photographer, you need to move your equipment on the go. So you need to adjust very quickly, like this. But for the traditional one, you don't. Not like the traditional one. They need to adjust the twist lock. You need to bend down to release each twist lock. So with this, it's very easy to adjust. Okay. No need to bend down.
Nice, and I'm seeing that you have a head here with button. I've seen this button somewhere else. Can you explain me what are they exactly doing?
This one, fluid head. Well, this is quite common fluid head. When you are a videographer, you will need to use the fluid head to get some angle. For example, this is the tilting angle, and this is to do the pan and tilt head. Yeah. And if you need to, we also have the double quick release plates at the top and bottom. You can just click, and then you can carry your camera and your fluid head away. If you have a camera, you can mount it here, and if you want to place it elsewhere, just like this, and then mount it like this here.
So now you have a baby...
Yeah, a mini tripod.
Mini tripod.
Yeah, you can put it on the desk, or you can get some low-angle shots with this one. And you don't need to twist everything because it's the quick release plates.
Sandy, this is a great height for a tripod, but look at me, I'm tall. Can you make it any taller?
Sure, 1 second. And you can add on a extension tube. It can go up to nearly 2 meters tall. How tall are you, Udi?
180.
180. Well, that will be perfect and more than what you need. You can also mount a gimbal on top of that and do a high, tall, fake drone shots like this. And it will be you can get a very special angle. For example, if you are walking around the stadium, walking around the exhibition, and you would like to get some special angle among the group, among the public group, you can put it this high to get the footage that you want, to not be blocked by the group.
Sandy, I noticed the quick release plate has 2 threads, so how does this work?
So this is 3/8 and 1/4 screws 2-in-1, and you can peel down the bigger, and then you can use it with. You can mount it with equipment with a 1/4 screw here, both 3/8 and 1/4 screw. Yeah.
Sandy, thank you so much. That looks like an amazing tripod. Where can I buy this?
You can buy it on our website, www.yconion.com, and you can also get it from B&H.
So I see this is a carbon fiber unit. What's the price for the carbon fiber unit?
For carbon fiber, $3.99,
And what is the price for the aluminum version?
$139.
Sandy, thank you so much. Those look like amazing pieces of kit. We'll keep walking the floor and give you some more news and gear from NAB 2023. Stick around.